So, good morning, sir. Forecasting the UNP way. An example of UNP contribution to economic forecasting is their annual economic briefings, where they analyze trends such as GDP growth, inflation rates, and key industry performance in the Philippines. There are 7 steps. Number 1, identification of elements to forecast. So, this involves determining the variables or factors that need to be predicted, such as GDP growth, inflation, or unemployment rate. Number 2, postulate about the interrelationship in the economy. These steps involves hypothesizing how different economic elements interact using economic theory, common sense, economic history. So, number 3, statistical analysis. So, this includes collecting and analyzing data to detect patterns, trends, and correlation among the identified variables. So, number 4, quantitative establishment of interrelationship in the economy. These steps validates the hypothesized relationship from step 2 through quantitative methods. The 2 methods mentioned are time series analysis, regression analysis. Number 5, statistical forecast, reasonability of assumption, reliability, results of statistical tests. Number 6, qualitative consideration and value judgment. So, this step incorporates subjects' insights, experts' opinion, and context-specific factors that may not be captured by statistical data. Number 7, final forecast, combines both statistical results and qualitative insight to create a comprehensive and actionable forecast. Macroeconomic forecast for 1997 growth analysis, it states that based on their forecast reference as table 11.1, the growth observed in recent years appears to be sustainable. Time frame, the sustainability is ascertained at least until 1998.